This green is amazing. Hi guys, look at my fashion collection. I found out that Sue wants to become a fashion designer. It's a great profession, but I think I'll be better at making clothes. I love dressing my dolls.
Where's Samantha? We wanted to play together! Samantha! Where are you? Let's play! Samantha! Here!
Oh, what? Sam!
Samantha, it's such a lovely day for soccer. Let's play!
Sam, you've ruined everything. I've spent an hour on this and now it's all turned and crumpled. Arr!
Oopsie. Guys, looks like no soccer today. Samantha, your fashion collection can't be saved. Look, even my pretty tape didn't help.
Go away. I don't want to talk to you.
I can leave, sure, but allow me to give an apology gift to you.
An apology gift?
That's right!
Oh,
Choose, and no need to thank me.
just great. You decided to celebrate my ruined collection with balloons? Oh.
No, you wanted to beat Sue with her fashion collection? She makes it from balloons!
Sue chose a good idea. We'll see who's going to be the best designer.
Hey, and where's my thank you?
Oh, guys, I've got awesome ideas for doll outfits. These ideas will be worth high-ranked fashion shows.
You forgot something.
Oh, right on time. Thanks. Let's get back to our dress. Like I said, it'll be created for runaways.
I just can't.
What?
Have you ever seen runway models wearing balloons?
It's actually just an idea, a small copy of the real thing. Ugh, why am I even trying to explain myself? Okay, I only need to put it on. Like this. And now this there. Let's pull this rubber band through this piece and over the head. Got it.
Don't you think it'll be too hot for your models to wear balloons?
Very funny. You'd better come and take a look at this cool dress.
Seriously, my head's all sweaty under this balloon. And the dress is pretty cool.
Guys, today I'm gonna make 5 awesome doll outfits. Watch closely. There will be a poll at the end of the video.
Yay! I love holes! All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Now put your hands up.
Guys, now I'm going to make something very interesting. A stylish jumpsuit. First, I need to cut the balloon like this. Carefully. And now, cut a bit here. And we get these 2 ribbons. See? I'll make a thin cut in them. Nice and slow. Got it. And then I'll cut the bottom. Done. I need 1 more balloon. I'll make a top from it.
I see you're still making your outfits.
Yes! This time is going to be a jumpsuit.
Aren't jumpsuits for babies?
No, Sam, you're wrong.
I'm never wrong. Maybe you'll make a hat from balloons for me.
Don't you get hot in them?
Fine, I'll make it myself.
And I've almost dressed our new dolly. I only need to adjust the straps. 1 and 2. It looks very cute. Guys, if you like this jumpsuit more than the dress, write in the comments. It's very important for me.
Can a cute slime get a jumpsuit like this?
Finish making your hat first.
Finish making your hat first. Ta-da-da! Samantha, look at the hat I made.
Now I know for sure you're not a competitor for me.
Of course, you don't do hat pieces. Try making at least 1 hat.
I've got a better idea than Sam's hat. I'll need these balloons for it. First, I'll make mini shorts for the doll. I'll cut here and there. Yes. That's really easy. There. Let's put them on. I hope they fit. Yes, they fit perfectly. Great. Now I need to make a top. I'll cut the balloon like this. This top will have a print on it. And it'll be an asymmetrical top. There will be a strap only on one shoulder. I need to cut the opening for the arm. A tiny triangle should do it. Looking good so far. Great. Now I need to try it on. Come on. Yes.
Oh, Samantha, I see that your ideas are getting more and more creative. The world of fashion hasn't seen tops with mini shorts for a long time.
It's just the middle step. I'm going to need one more balloon. Look closely now. I need to make a few cuts. Here. And there. To get an unusual shape.
I don't get it.
I simply need to put it on the doll. Then you'll see. There. It's a lovely skirt.
These clothes don't look too comfortable.
It doesn't have to be comfortable. It should be pretty.
Ew, these fashion designers are really weird.
My next outfit needs 2 balloons. These 2. I'll make a top out of the yellow one. I need to cut at the top and at the bottom. And I need to make 2 openings for the arms this time. Little triangles again. Done. And now I'll put it on the doll carefully. It's not as easy as it may seem.
Go, Samantha, go, go, go!
Almost.
A round of applause, everyone.
Done. Now let's make a skirt out of this pretty balloon. I will have 2 layers. I'll make the white part to make the first layer. Let's put it on the doll. Sam, don't you want to help me?
Nope, but when you become a world-famous fashion designer, I'll be expecting an email from ya.
Then I'll have to tell Sue that you told me about her idea with balloons.
What do you need help with?
Nothing. I'm almost done. Look at this awesome skirt I made.
Let's ask our viewers, shall we? Guys, if you think this skirt is awesome, write in the comments.
And my final design will be a little evening dress.
But didn't Coco Chanel invent it already?
She invented it, a little black dress. And my dress can be of any color. For example, this gorgeous shiny purple.
Isn't it the same thing?
Fashion world is about detail, Sam. Let's try the dress onto our beautiful doll. Just 1 balloon and look at the gorgeous dress it made.
Fashion design doesn't feel like hard work. I think I should give it a try too. Today, Samantha created 5 doll looks for you. Personally, I like the jumpsuit most of all.
Which model did you like most of all? Write in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel!
See you soon. Bye-bye.